Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install Disney Plus on Android. So right now, I'm in my Google Play Store and I'm gonna searching here Disney Plus. And after searching using this keyword Disney Plus, as you can see, we can't see the Disney Plus app here. Here you won't get Disney Plus application to download. So we need to open our browser and then search here Disney Plus APK download and open this first link. Scroll down, tap on download APK, tap on download APK, tap on download anyway, tap on details. And as you can see, my Disney Plus is started to download. It may take some time to finish the downloading process. And once it's downloaded, tap on it, tap on install, tap on open. And as you can see, I've successfully installed Disney Plus on my Android device. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.